Today we will be testing the anchored momentum indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the anchored momentum indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 51 different strategies, with 13 of them being profitable. We have also tested a total of 629 indicators, with 256 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Okay, so today's indicator is the anchored momentum indicator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so this particular indicator also allows us to do the bar coloration. Now, as I've said many times before, I know the viewers and also myself aren't too fond of the bar coloration when that is an aspect of an indicator. But in this particular case, it seemed like it needed to be applied to this one to just make it a little bit easier to see what's going on. And so really we don't need to pay much attention to this pane down here below. What we're actually looking for now is up here on the bars themselves. And so basically what we are looking for is when we get these green candles here, a green candle, then we are going to go long. When we get the red candles, specifically just a red candle, then we are going to go short. The orange candles are basically a sign of like range or consolidation, if you will, something along those lines. And so again, we're just looking for the green candles for longs and the red candles for shorts. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. All right, so we pick up our first signal. It is a short signal right here. You see that we get that red bar, nice long red bar, and then we get a nice push to the downside there, which does come down and get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so the next signal that we pick up is a long signal. We see that we get these orange bars here, and shortly after we pick up a green bar in a right here, and a nice push to the upside there, which does hit our take profit on that one as well. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so we pick up another long signal right here on, not this one here, this one right here. We pick up a long signal and we get a nice little push to the upside there, which gets us to our take profit. Then on the close of this candle, we would have picked up another long signal as we got that close with a green bar there. That one does get us stopped out as we pick up this short signal right here on this drop. That one stops out as we roll under there and start to push back to the upside, getting us our long signal here on this one. Now this one does get a nice push to the upside, which does get us to our take profit. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward through the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that's going to put us at the end right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, and trading philosophy in general. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. That comes in an Excel version and a PDF version, and you will get that full list of indicators showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested that shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates, and links to go back and review those individual strategies. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. So it's safe to say that we got a good number of trades within that 1 year's time. Let's count it out and see what we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36. So we have 36 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. 19 winning trades. So that is not going to get us to that 60% criteria that we are looking for. It got us decently close, but not all the way there. Definitely not as much as we needed it to. Not as much as we needed it to, anyway. And so, what can I say about this one? Again, a decent number of trades within 1 year's time. And so, considering how it did, it did 36 trades within the 1 year's time. It did so rather accurately. I mean, not wonderful, but we've definitely seen some of these indicators that have 36 trades and they just do absolutely horrible. But this one was just a little bit kind of on the fast side. Every little move, it seemed like it was kind of catching or trying to catch a direction one way or another, and that really did just cause it to take quite a few losing trades that were unnecessary, and in all kind of drug down that win rate. And so for that reason, this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.